Ricky Joe's old-fashioned food, and I have a deal for you today. Come on down to the brand new opening of Ricky Joe's, and you can get yourself a loaf of bread. Loaf of bread! What? If you call the number on the screen right here, then you can get yourself a cooler biohazard. It's biohazard! Boo! And if you call now, right here, then you can get the special of garlic, chicken, and beans! Beans! I'm Ricky Joe! Bring your children now! They'll get to see Krusty the Clown! I'm Ricky Joe! Number